Hey guys, alright, we are doing a seared chicken thigh with rigatoni Alfredo, and y'all was big. I was big, baby, when I did this, okay? The baby was probably like, I don't know, 2 months, maybe 3 months, I don't know. But I was still holding on to that, okay? So yeah, if you see, this video old, but it's cool. I forgot to post it, so I'm gonna post it now. But anyway, we're working on some seared chicken thighs. Because y'all know I'm gonna eat good. I'm gonna eat good now, okay? I might eat good, it'll be home cooked good, okay? So we are seasoning these thighs, right? And if my throat's a little raspy, I'm still getting over. I feel great, but I still have a little bit of the residuals. My throat is acting up a bit. So I'm gonna sound a little raspy, but I'll try to get through it. Excuse me. So we are seasoning. I did show in the video what I seasoned with. I will label this, excuse me, I will put this in the description, everything that I use, okay? And you can find that brand, I think you pronounce it the Checo, in the store. The pasta is really good for a dry pasta. It's really, really, really good. So anyway, I'm gonna work on the Alfredo. That is great value heavy whipping cream. It's a really good brand. It's at Walmart. Yeah, I get it from Walmart. And it's not as expensive as what is that one called? They have the butter. I don't remember. Anyway, there's some expensive brands in it. You can get them, it's fine. I'm not even that type of person to try to tell you what to get, but if you want to save a little money, that Great Value brand is totally fine. Matter of fact, I think the brand is the same brand as that butter. Anyway, okay, that seems to be a bit oil, or a good amount of oil. That's my little trash box right there, just to let you know. good amount of oil, but we're searing about 6 chicken breasts, so don't be too alarmed, okay? So I like to cook my pasta, let it sit dry, but so it can soak up all that Alfredo. Right now, I'm just chopping up some garlic. I'm going to put that in the pan to flavor the oil for those seared chicken thighs. I don't know if I said breast earlier. I hope I didn't. But seared chicken thighs. I love chicken thighs. Like, love dark meat. So delicious. So anyway, we just going to cook this stovetop. These are some frozen peppers and onions. I buy those already like that. I used to do it myself, but you know, I try to be a little more convenient because now I have 4 children. So that Alfredo, we let that whipping cream cook down for a bit, and we add our cheeses. I'm adding Parmesan and a little bit of mozzarella, because mozzarella is like really, you know, it's gonna make your Alfredo like really thick, which is fine, but then when it chills, it's gonna like, you know, kind of seize up a bit. So anyway, I used Boursin cheese. I'll explain it.
Gourmet. It reminds me of cream cheese. Look at it. I'm going to add a little bit of this.
The cheese is so good. Like, it really is. So we just let that simmer. That's about done. Just add a little salt and finish that up.
Okay. Black pepper.
Of course, a little bit of pepper. So anyway, I'm not gonna go through this whole video talking. I'll just let you enjoy watching. I don't know. I just want you to enjoy watching. So it'll explain itself. I don't want to talk the whole video. It's already 13 minutes, which is a lot. It's long to me. I think that's a little too long, but I didn't want to leave too much out, because I don't typically upload a lot of full-length videos. I more so do shorts, because it's all about convenience. But anyway, you know, if you get through the whole 13, great. But I will post the ingredient list and some instruction in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. And if you make this, please tell me if you liked it and what you think I can do better. I love to improve any recipe. I love to combine recipes. I love all of that. Please, if you got one for me and you want to try it, you want me to try it, let me know. Anyway, you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for watching my video and joining me in my chaos, for a better word. So, thanks, and subscribe if you haven't, like, share, da 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 da. Bye.
Thick and rich. So we're gonna put this in our pasta. There we go. Okay. Now go ahead and stir that up. This is gonna sit until everything else is done. It's gonna get thicker and it's gonna absorb all that yummy sauce. See, that's why I like the rigatoni. See how it holds? I mean, it holds the sauce in there. But I usually like penne or even bow tie. I think penne does a little bit of a better job because it's not such a huge hole. But rigatoni is still really good. It's great for, like, you know, hearty dishes like this. So yeah, that's that, right? Oh, I gotta put the peppers in it. I need to saute some peppers. Okay, we put the broccoli on. Now we gotta get these peppers going. Let me get some butter. I'm just gonna put this on 2 tablespoons. It's a lot, but I love butter, as you can see. Alright. So I'm gonna put the lid over this because I just want it cooked thoroughly. If it softens on the skin, we'll flip it at high heat to crisp it up again. So let's get these peppers going. Maybe this will translate into, it looks like half a green bell pepper and half a red bell pepper and half a medium onion. Let me show you. That's what it looked like. And, you know, I'm kind of eyeballing. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to saute this and then we'll add it to the pasta. Okay? Yeah. So I decided I want to add a little extra garlic. The chicken and garlic is a really great combo. I'm going to put it on there. Okay. I'm going to do 2 cloves and add them to the peppers. And slice it thin. Okay? I'm tripping. I didn't even show. Oh, Lord. Okay, wait. I didn't show you that. Okay. This is the garlic, pepper, and onions, and I'm just seasoning with a little pepper. In the middle, because we already have pepper in the pasta, and look how it's looking. It's set up really good. Look at that. Okay, they're yelling in the background. Okay. All right, so we're gonna let this cook. We're gonna let these continue to turn it down. Sweat on low. And this chicken is probably has, I don't know. I gotta figure out the timing. Anyway, I'm gonna just poke through the middle and make sure, you know, because I didn't really, you know, just kind of doing this dish. Oh, that looks good. Okay, so you can also use a temperature gauge if you're not, you know, too familiar. I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, Soraya's crying, so hold on. Hey. She's not having a good day. Mama, you good? Oh, she's hungry. Okay. Oh, geez. All right. Now, these are done. I'm not gonna. I don't feel like creating a crispy crust. This is delicious here as is. And then our peppers. So we're gonna take our peppers. We're gonna put them in with our pasta. Okay. Get all that in there. See that? Okay. Now, stir that up. Okay. There we go. Play that. Just a small piece. So, there we go. Now, let's just taste a little bit of that thigh. See that thigh ready? Look at that thigh. Ooh wee. I don't want all that skin. Even though I love me some chicken skin, I'm just gonna focus on the chicken for now. Pasta. I'm looking through the view of the camera, so it's a little weird. It's a little wonky, a little awkward. Come on, broccoli. Join the party. But I'll overcook that broccoli, Lord. Okay. Here we go, y'all. Yeah, let's have you. With my hair crazy. Let me see. It's hot. Let me just show this side. Y'all make sure y'all try this. Let's go back to the food. Nobody wants. Look at that. Let me get this skin though. Look at that. The skin with the ooh. What was that feel? Oh, that's a pepper. Look. The skin with the pasta with the pepper. That's going good. So, y'all need to try this. So, I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description. If you try this, oh my God, my hair. If you try this, please let me know.